Today I'm taking a look at the office chair. They did put some cardboard there on the top to prevent people from slicing up the chair, and I do appreciate that. It's not going to be perfect, but it's definitely going to help. We do have our instructions, and it does look pretty self-explanatory. So we got our nuts and bolts, everything is organized out. We even have everything labeled, and I do appreciate they put this red tag on there so that you can easily find it. So here we got our armrest. It is even labeled E, so we know exactly what that is going to be on the instructions. So that is going to be an adjustable armrest. You got a nice cushion on the top, and we have a nice pleather material. Here is our other armrest, and this even has an R on there, so we know that this is the right side. Here we got the star for our base. This is the backrest. I do appreciate this is going to be that breathable material. If you use one of those pleather backrests that has a tendency to hold moisture in, this is going to be much nicer. It does have adjustable lumbar on the back, and what looks like a nice solid frame. Here is the bottom cushion, nice and wide. So we're looking at about 21 inches from side to side, and it's got a nice curved shape on it as well. Here are the legs for the base, and those are metal. Here we got our casters. Here's our piston. And here's the bottom mount for that chair. So first we are going to assemble the base. I have to say I appreciate that this is a nice all-metal thing. Sometimes they'll put little plastic caps in the end to hold the wheels, and those never last. That is definitely the way to make a base. As you can use the bolts L5, and even list that as the leg. It does come with a T-handle, so you got all the tools you need to assemble this. I prefer using power tools. This does use an M5. So that is the whole chair. It's a very nice looking chair. Do appreciate that those armrests do fold up. We got that adjustable lumbar. We got that adjustable tilt tension. It can also lock, so you pull the lever in or out. If you want to lock it, you push it in. If you want to unlock it so you can tilt back, you pull it out. And we can extend as well. This is something you don't normally see. There is actually a button right here where you can take that guy and you can swivel it out, and it will lock in place. I think that is a better design than the ones where that has the like the 4D armrest where they go in and out and twist around, just because I always end up moving those things around anytime I move in the chair. This is going to feel a lot more secure. So I do like that design. Fairly easy to put together. I do appreciate that they gave us some extra parts just in case we lose anything. And it definitely does look very nice. Yeah, that is a pretty comfortable chair. It goes right up to about my shoulder blades. Feels fairly well made. I do appreciate that I can pull these guys out if I want to and be able to move my arms around a little bit more freely, especially if I'm working at like a workbench or something like that, or I can kick them on down and have a nice cozy spot to rest my arms. Overall, that is a nice little chair.